All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is August 13, 2024, and it's a Tuesday. It's a second trading day of this week, and this week we have full five trading day. And this week is the CBI week. The CBI data gonna release tomorrow, Wednesday at 8:30 Eastern time, right there. And we be there. We be there to record it. But one thing surprised us today is the PPI data right before tomorrow, which is happened today at 8:30, and we didn't aware of this, but actually the PPI also have an impact. And we look at the prime movement today, it's have a huge impact for today. It really a catalytic right there. So normally we treat the PPI is like a very low impact new. Yeah, just amazing how the new PPI data really impact on the movement. You see, the actual number is 0.1, percent, which is less than the consensus. It's like 50% less. So, but that's how the market react. By the way, we are in week 33, and we are in this week right here from August 12 to August 16. We don't have any. We do have the option expiration date right there. But next month gonna be huge for the option because it's a so-called expiration for the month and also for the quarter, right? You have March, you have June, and you have September and December. That's 4 months that where the option market gonna be very volatile right there. That also impact the stock market that we are trading right now. And yeah, next tomorrow we're looking for the new right there as August 14th, the CPI data. And then after that will be the week after that. We're gonna look, no, not after that, but the following weeks we're gonna have the GDP data and the PCR data on Tuesday and Friday. Is that right? Tuesday and the PCE is on Friday. Let's take a look real quick. So we have the GDP data. August 29, yes. So the PCA data, which is another indicator for the inflation, but it's for personal, is on the consumer side. The PPI data is on the producer side, released on August 30. So it's the last Friday of the month. It's the last Friday of the month. Whenever you see the last Friday of the month, you're gonna see it. So last time is 26. Before that 28, and this month gonna be 30, and next month it's gonna be 27. So it goes together with the GDP data, right? So it's a Thursday, last Thursday of the month, and then the last Friday of the month. And the CPI data is gonna be the first Wednesday of the month, right there. Anyway, go back to the chart. So right here we see that at 8:30 right here, it's a huge bull right there. So it tells us it's gonna be up right there, and you see that it break the level, the high of the London range right there. It break it. No, actually it's just retest, right? Test from below and break it and reverse them. What if that tell us? It's gonna make a second leg up. Exactly. You have that's the pattern of second leg up, break, reverse, then real break right there, and you can see that if we catch this move, we didn't catch this move because it's before the 9:30, and today we didn't trade. But that's really here you said, wow, you have a more than 3 arm move, right there. That's the beautiful right there. So we don't need to change much. We just wait for the pattern, the setup, so up we take the trade. And this is the second let up right there. Okay, let check this. Yeah, let's check this setup. So at 9 right there, you see that? No, look at the 9:30 right there, because that's the PVI radar release right there. Okay, so what we're gonna say right here is a real breakout. Is that right? That's the real breakout. So you have one leg right here, right? One leg, and it's second leg right there. So it's a three-step. First you have break it, and then actually you break it right here, but before the break you have the retest right there. Break it, and then you have a reverse right here, and then you have real break coming here. In this case, it's break this level without a gap, but the next level you see that a gap right there. That is also a very different right there. Okay, let's mark this down. So basically we break it, but before we break we do have the retest area. First we break it, but remember, note the test from below. That gives us a very good signal right there. At 09:30. Is it 09:30 or 08:30? Yes. And then the second step you want to have is you have to have this three step basic, and it may have this test from below. That if it's there, then that will be perfect. Otherwise, in order to identify setup, we just need three steps: break, and then reverse. Sometime before it reverse, it can test from above, right? Test from above also. Reverse, and then you have the number 3, which is a break, which in this case is a real break. Real breakout right there. That's called real breakout. That's the real breakout setup we're talking about. It's a real break right there. You have first break, and then you have second break, which is a real break. And before that, you need a reverse. So right here we have a note right there that is test from below before it breaks. So that can give you a very strong signal. Yep, that is the signature of a real breakout at the London high level right there, 5401. 79. But we also know that right here, it rate the London, that gives you the very high setup right there. Before, it rate the London low. Yes, it rate the London low. It's similar to the ICT setup. But hold on, let's see. At level, it's gonna be a second leg up, or we can make leg up, make it simplify. Neck leg up. Yeah, in this case, we say that that's the London high right there. That's the level of London high right there. And this is the London, right, which is from 2 to 5 right there. And what do we have? We need to have a break first. And note that the test from below 30, that's another signal right there. A good signal right there. And then you have reverse, and then you have a break happen. In this case, a field break right there. And we know that the London low, which is called sell-side liquidity, will rate right here. You see that, and it create a full breakout right there. Break, retest from below, and reverse right there. So we see the signature everywhere, every day. The challenge for it is just we have to manage our urge, because we're so caught up with our emotion, fear, missing out. We just jump the gun every time we pull the trigger. Every time we need to exercise our patience and wait for a setup, so fall on our lap instead of chasing. That is a challenge that every novice, every new or beginner trader have to work through. It's much easier said than done right there. But anyway, it takes practice. We have to give ourselves room to grow, to make errors, to make mistakes. That's it. It's as simple as that. So basically right there, that's the setup for a real breakout. A real breakout, a neck leg up, you always have to have this signature in there. Let's take a look some of so it's a real breakout at 54.0175, and in this case it's a neck leg up. Okay, yes, let's put it into our playbook right there. And here's we have another example of this setup, so we can show here, so we can do a mental rehearsal for us, so next time we know exactly what's taking place and how to entry and exit. So we have break, reverse, and then break. Yeah, here's one of the examples that we took last time. This one is also the Tuesday before the CBI right there. So basically we look at this level. What do we see? We see it's break it and it reverse. But in this case, it do have a test from below. Actually, yeah, if we take this level, yeah, so test from above is a optional. It do have reverse right there. Break it, you see this level right here, it's break it. Yeah, we need to rework this one right there. You have break it, and then you have reverse right away. In this case, have a bonus with test from above and reverse, then boom. It real break. You see that? Yeah. But if we look at the level, this one we can work on this one again. Let's take a note. We need to rework on this screenshots. I think the day is July 10. We will work with that level July 10, 24. If we need to fix this, we're gonna use this level. It must look better than this level. Basically at this level we see it break and then it reverse, boom. There's no reason for it to come back to level at this real break gonna happen. So we see that pattern. That is the real breakout pattern. Okay, so here's another example right there. Here's another example. You see the break and reverse back right away, right? Break, reverse back, and then boom. Yeah, if it test from below, perfect. If that's test from below. So you trick at the level right here, 53.60. Right, you have a test from below right there. It used to be 4 steps, but now we simplify down to only 3 steps. Basically, you should look at these two levels, 53.57 and 53.60, both of them. Break, reverse back right away, then boom, you're gonna have a second break, which is a real break right there. We only need 3 steps. The step before the break, test from below, is just optional. So we try to simplify it. It used to be 4 step breakout, we just simplify to 3 step out. So we need to work on, rework on this also to reflect the change that we see over the time. So basically we try to refine our model over time, right? At first, we identify 4 steps, but now we want to refine them. We want to keep it simple, simplify. It's better, right? Makes it easy to remember 1, 2, 3 ABC step right there. So this is another example that we need to rework on this one. And this one is 15 minutes timestamp. Yes, it's and this one is on June 11. Wow, beautiful, June 11 right there. So June 11. Yeah, June 11. Another work we need to do June 11. Uh, 24. So we have 2 right there, but you got an idea. All right, we have about 10 more minutes. Okay, so that is the first setup that we talk right here. Is the second leg up, or the next leg up. Beautiful. Okay, here's a second setup right here. We want to talk. It's very critical because we felt right here. We blow up our account right here because we never aware of this setup. Today we really really see it, and that put into, we learn from our mistake. That's how we learn. We learn from the failure. We try and we fail, then we learn. That's another lesson we put to our arsenal or our weaponry, so we can prepare for the battle next time. So basically we fell right here. The reason we fell right here is so beautiful. Look, we take a screenshot of that, and you see right here. So basically on the daily, right, if you look on the daily, you know this is the key level right there. You see the gap right there. So whether it's gonna break that level on the daily candle right there, you see that? So that's a question for us when we trade. And we draw that level on the 15-minute time frame, and we look, we observe. We saw that it's break it. You see that with the huge gap right there. And we want to see the second leg up similar to this setup. We want it reverse. All right, that's what we want to see, right? You want it to be break and reverse, so you know that it's gonna second, and then it break, which is a real break. Just look at the markup we do, you know, before that. You see that? You want it to be break and right there, and reverse, and then you want break again, which is a real break. We want to see that. And right here at the key level, or you know, the key level on high time frame is it matched with this level on the low time frame. It's just different. What the high of this one is 0925. So the difference is about three handle right there. This one is 40, you know, 0850, and this one is 0925. So it's 3 handle, exactly 3 handle right there. So it matched with the low level right there. So you see that break this level with a failure gap. That we want to see it reverse, which is this one. We want it close below that level, so we know that you're gonna make a second later. The same right here. We want it to break and reverse, which is close below this level. You see that? And it did not happen in this case, and that helped us, or that, you know, change our mind. We say, okay, the setup is not there. That means we can short them. It's gonna be a reversal, type 1, right? What the result? What is the reversal type 1? It means you break, you test from above, and then boom, you reverse. Let's look at the signature for a reversal. All right, here's one of the reversal setup. We have type 1 right there, reversal. So basically, we see the break right there, the level we are looking at right there is the 53.25, 50 right there. So you have break and you have a test from above, test or retest, that's the same idea, concept. And then you reverse them. So that's what we thought it's gonna be. It's the type 1 reversal right there. It's one of the guy on the internet have the same idea like there's, and we already show you before. We want to show again, and we show again anytime we do reviews. Make sure we see right there. You have break and then you test from below and then you reverse. That is the long setup. For the short setup, you break, test from above, and then reverse. So that's an idea of the reversal type 1 right there. And we thought that it's gonna be in this scenario so perfect. Break and retest from above, then hula is gonna be reversed. All right, it tried right here, it fell, it cannot revert, which is perfect. So you test twice. That means when it reversed, it's very explosive. It did. You know, when we watch in the real time, this guy is so explosive. It moving out very quick. But for some reason, maybe the buyer step in or the algo is manipulate somehow. It broke this pattern. Yeah, it broke right in front of our eyes. It's so strange. We haven't seen this phenomenon before. That's the reason why we come up with this, and we learn. There are not a scenario or deviation about this setup. Basically, it's a reversal. It's gonna be four breakout, but reversal type 1 right there. Hold on, I think we messed up right here. Yes. So basically right here. First, it looked like a four breakout, reversal type 1, which is you have break, retest, and what? Break, retest, and then reverse. That's it look like, but it flipped. It turned into a real breakout. It's very amazing right there. At the level 5408, and I think it's 75. All right, I think let's take this screenshot again because we don't want her so-called 50. Yeah, 56. 50. Well, let's take this screenshot again. All right, that's right here. That's just beauty right there. Beauty in the eye of the beholder. Okay, so now let's make it a little bit bigger. So we have more real estate to work with, and we make our screenshot better. Yeah, let's take this screenshot. All right, so let's take the screenshot. So basically, the verbiage we have is right there. All right, first is break, and then you have the retest from above, right? That's the signal of a fall breakout, the reversal. You have a test from above, and this time here happened twice. So the candle at 10:30 is supposed to be a step 3, which is reverse, going down. However, it flipped. Yeah, if you watch in real time, you see it flip. It's a huge down candle, then it flipped. So that's why we put a verbiage right here. It flipped at 10:30 to a real breakout. That's the beauty right there. And we got crash on that because we short right there. And we blow up our account right there. That's the huge lesson for to learn. But, if we don't make that mistake today, we never learn this lesson. That's the beauty of that. So we should not count us at a loss. It's a winner for it right there. Every loss is a win right there because we learn a lesson. So we are winner. We will never fail because a mistake is a win in terms of lesson learned. We have to look at that perspective. So we remain unbothered, right? We have to remain unbothered with the outcome. Whether a winning trade or lost trade, it should remain unbothered to us. We should always stay calm and serene and follow the process, and we will get better day by day. In every way, we're getting better. So that's an idea. The note right here, it tells us beauty right there. So note, that's good for now. And let's put right here. So first you need to break it. Absolutely. You always have this first step. And then this one you have a second, which is test or retest for that matter from above. So it's a 4 breakout. When you see this, you know that it's going to be 4 breakout. In this case, it's a 4 breakout turn into or flip to, for that matter. Flip to is 2 times, for that matter, 2 times. And then this step's supposed to be reversed, but it flips to a real breakout. Real breakout right there. So we have to watch out. Very watch out because it can flip. Now we know when it's gonna flip. Now we know when it's gonna flip. Yeah, if at 10:30 it flips, then boom, you know that the rest of the day it's gonna be uptrend. So can go all in right there. When you see this much of flip, then go all in. That's where you make huge money. We learned the lesson today. So now in the future, whenever we see this, we will put maximize side in there. Okay, so that's the lesson we learned for today. A 4 breakout turn into a pre-breakout. That's the beauty we learned for today. And let's not forget, yesterday we learned the opposite. The opposite is a real breakout turn into a 4 breakout. That's the beauty right there. So basically it's a 4 breakout reversal type 1, and if turn into or flip to what? To a real breakout. That's the lesson we learned. They put a level right there, 5408. So when we review, we know what level we're talking about. And to look yesterday we learned the that yesterday or Monday? Yeah, Monday, which is yesterday, right? Absolutely. Yeah, yesterday we learned that the real breakout turned into a 4 breakout, which is the opposite. We thought it's gonna be a real breakout because it's break. Oh yeah, it's break, right? Transformer break, and it's reverse right here. So we want it to be, you want to see the reverse, but you don't see that, so it's gonna be a 4 breakout. So we anticipate a real breakout, but actually it's reverse. Yeah, we can see that, and you see that when it break out this level without, you can call it a fellow gap, but it's not a fellow gap. They call it a I fellow gap. It's not real fellow gap. So that's a difference right there. But anyway, we see the opposite, right? Today, the setup for yesterday is a perfect for 4 breakout. So yesterday we thought it's gonna be pre-breakout because it have break, and it missed the reverse. Yes, so it's missed the reverse. You want it to be reversed right away, so it missed that. So yesterday we short right here, it worked, but today it's not working for us. Today it's not working because we see the little bit same pattern right there, right? You have break and test from above, but it did not work out for today. So that's an idea. It turned the 4 breakout into a 3 breakout. That's the lesson. All right, one last thing we want to show you that right here. So right here at top step, they say today to earn your account. Basically, you can trade today, let's say the 150,000. The target's profit is 9,000, so you can trade today, which means each day you're gonna gain 4,500. But the tricky part is very hard to make it exactly. So to make it a little bit better, we experiment. We try 3 days, and it worked perfect. That can be done. So basically, 2 or 3 days it can be done. That's the message. Or that is the conclusion we try. We can show that you can try and we can make it right there. Yeah, so here's the report, trade report right there. So with 3 days, we can pass the challenge. You see that? We make profit only, we make 40, almost 4,500, but we want to keep it below that. So because we don't want to go over with that, because the road that they don't want you to be, remember, they don't want you to reach more than 50 cents. The best day is cannot reach more than 50% of the total profits. So you don't want to go above 4,500. So that's what we keep right there. And just 3 days we can pass the challenge. That's, you see, 3 days we can pass them. That can be done if possible. You can call it luck or whatever, but it can be done. It's just 3 days. That means we have to be lucky, I guess, or you have to be really watch for opportunity. But it can be done. Before we try each experiment, we say, oh, well, it may be impossible, it's very hard, but we try it, it works. So we will use this model to go forward. Just 3 days, we will pass the challenge. All right, thank you for your time and interest. We always are grateful for this opportunity. We love what we do, then success come into our way. Day by day, in every way, we are getting better and better. Bye for now and have a great evening.